What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn, and in today's episode I will teach you how to add a second story on Instagram. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it on. First we're going to add our first story. Just going to pick this picture and add it as my story. So okay, share it and done. So now I already have my first story as you can see. So if you want another story, just swipe to the right like that and you just tap on story again. Tap story and also tap this box right in the bottom left. So as you can see, you can add another videos or photos as your second stories. I'm just going to add this picture, add it as my second story, and that's all of it. As you can see, I have two story in a row. And that's all you can do. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.